how to turn off the black and white screen from Monochromacy on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then, scroll down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. After that, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Developer Options. Now in here, scroll down and then tap on Simulate Color Space. From the pop-up, make sure you select Disabled, and that is how you can turn off monochromacy that causes the screen to go black and white. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.